3 years ago, I took a loan from an app called Branch. I took a loan of about 50,000 naira, and I actually didn't pay back the loan on time. The loan was overdue for like about 6 months before I was able to pay back the full amount. Now, fast forward to now is 3 years later, and I needed money, so I was like, okay, let me check up this loan app, right? And then I remembered, oh, I had borrowed money from Branch, so let me check it back again. And I decided to go to Play Store, install the app all over again, fill in my details, and fortunately, my account was still intact. So I logged in, and then it was all clean. I decided to apply for a new loan, but to my surprise, a message just popped up and said, sorry, you are no longer eligible for any loan for now because the last loan you took, you actually delayed in paying back the loan. 50,000 naira loan. I took it 3 years ago. It overdue 6 months. I paid back, and then 3 years later, Branch is still holding this against me. Okay, so this is actually crazy, but this is what happens. This is what happens with majority of the loan applications when you take a loan and delay to pay back. Okay, so imagine this. You borrowed 50,000 naira, maybe for something urgent, maybe for school fees, business, or just to survive these ups and downs of life, right? And it's been like 6 months and you haven't paid it back. First of all, don't panic if you are in that situation. We've all been there. I just shared my story with you. But let's talk about what this could mean for you. First, the disadvantages. When you don't pay back a loan on time, it's not just about the money, all right? Your credit score takes a hit. And in Nigeria, that's a big deal because it can affect your chances of getting loans in the future. Like, imagine needing another loan, just like I did, for something important, and they are like, sorry, you are not eligible. Not cool, right? Then there is the interest. Oh my gosh, the interest. Most loans have this thing where if you don't pay on time, the interest keeps adding up. So that's 50,000 naira that you borrowed. It could easily turn into 70,000 naira or even more. And let's be real. Nobody wants to pay extra money for no reason. Nobody. That's the thing. And here is the scary part. Some lenders can get really aggressive. They might start calling you non-stop, sending you messages or even threatening legal action. And I've heard stories of people getting dragged to court over small loans. It's stressful, and honestly, it is not worth the headache. So now, what is the solution and what are the precautions? But see, it's not all doom and gloom, all right? If you're in this situation, there are ways to fix it. First, talk to your lender. Be honest about your situation. Sometimes they are willing to work out, a new payment plan with you, and it's better than ignoring them totally. Trust me, just talk to them. Another thing, if you can at least try to pay something, even if it's not the full amount, it shows you are serious about repaying, and it can stop the interest from piling up too fast. And if you are really struggling, consider getting a side hustle or selling something you don't need at the moment. Every little bit that will come in will help. And for the future, let's be real, my friend, only borrow what you can pay back. I know it's tempting to take more, but it's not worth the stress. Plan ahead, budget, and if you can avoid loans altogether, just avoid it. It's better. All right, so yeah, that's the tea on overdue loans. It's not the end of the world, but it's definitely something to take seriously if you are being through this or you are going through it right now. Drop a comment in the comment section below and let's talk about it. We might just find a way to help you or maybe fix it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. You know I like you and I care about you, right? So take care of you and take care of your money. See you in my next video. Catch ya.